The Philippine eagle is the country's national bird. Found nowhere else on Earth, the species is critically endangered. Less than 400 nesting pairs remain, and over half live in unprotected forest on Mindanao Island, a home they share with 17 in...
The Philippine eagle, popularly known as the monkey-eating eagle, is one of the rarest birds in the world. It is the Philippines' national bird. Endemic to the country, it was declared as the national bird in 1995.
Philippine eagle, the monkey-eating eagle. Birds and primates have had a turbulent relationship since the first time they met on Earth. They tried to eat us when we were small apes, and we avenge our ancestors daily by eating eggs and wings. Not a very blissful situation.
The Philippine eagle is from the Accipitridae family, and it is also a Pathecophaga type. They are also known as monkey-eating and great Philippine eagle. They are one of the largest, strongest, and most powerful eagles around the globe.
In the heart of the Philippine archipelago, an emblem of national pride takes flight. The Philippine eagle, a creature of unmatched majesty and power, reigning supreme with the largest wingspan of any eagle on this planet.
The Philippine eagle is one of the world's largest and rarest birds of prey. A critically endangered species, fewer than 900 adults remain on just 4 Philippine islands.